You can, I think everybody in Goa can see all-round development that is taking place in every nook and corner of Goa. If I may cite big works, second bridge over river Mandovi, which is getting ready. Third bridge, I mean. Second bridge over river Zuari, Mopa Airport, broadening of the highways, all-round development in terms of the people themselves, social security schemes, and the development that you can see in entire Goa has never happened in Goa since liberation. In fact, once the works are complete after 2.5 years from now, you are going to see a different Goa, a modern Goa. I call Mopa Airport an engine of growth. As against this background, when opposition MLAs are seeing all-round development, futuristic planning, and a lot of work taking place in different constituencies which are held by the ruling dispensation, whether it is ministers or MLAs, is it not the case that they will feel frustrated that nothing is happening in my constituency? Something has to happen in my constituency. And people naturally, when they see development happening in one part, if it does not happen in the other part, there is pressure of the public. Because of the pressure of the public, you have had two MLAs embracing the BJP, coming to the BJP with the hope that they will get elected on the BJP ticket, because they want all-round development. And this situation arose because all of you know the tallest leader of Goa, who has been the tallest leader, being the former defense minister, being the chief minister now, it is under his leadership that everything in Goa has happened. It is under his leadership we got exceptionally huge amount of funds, like Nitin Gadkari giving like 15,000 crores for the development of Goa. You have Suresh Prabhu going out of the way, wanting to make Goa startup hub. He wants to make it the repair hub for aircraft at Mopa Airport. He wants to make it a cargo hub. This is all going to generate employment, prevent people from Goa who are going abroad because there are no jobs here. As against this scenario, it is automatic pressure of the public on the MLAs from other dispensation, including the Congress, particularly the Congress, to come to the BJP, and they don't mind resigning and coming. It is not that it is the case of BJP that they have pressurized somebody, have lured somebody. They have come on their own. In fact, if two have come, you will see more coming. I can safely say that more want to come. At least I am in the preview of that information. Yesterday I was in Kirlapal Dabol Panchayat, also in Kale Panchayat, which is the tip in the south, the furthest in the south. The amount of projects that have been launched by Deepak Pauskar, and he is a supporting party to the BJP. That means we believe in all-round development. As many as 20 new projects were launched, some were inaugurated. I have laid the foundation stone for 2 Panchayat Ghar, and after I become Panchayat Minister, every month we are inaugurating 1 Panchayat Ghar somewhere. That is the speed of work. With this type of rapid development happening, is it not the case that MLAs will want to desert the opposition and come to the ruling party ranks? Is it not a message that Modi at the center is doing well and somebody, Manohar Parrikar, is doing well here, or his government is performing? And I refuse to accept the take that administration has collapsed, it is not functioning because the Honorable Chief Minister is sick. If that were the case, I would not have been laying the foundation stone. It is not just work has started for 2 new Panchayat Ghars in Kale and Kirlapal Dabal yesterday. Similarly, average of Panchayat Ghar is one Panchayat Ghar every month. Portfolios held by me, 10,000 liters of milk has increased. We have increased the subsidy for the youth, for unemployed youth. We have made it 90%. So you have had performance in that portfolio where more milk is being produced. My endeavor is, end of the day, end of 5 years, whatever shortage, 2 lakh liters we get from across the border, which I consider not so safe, we should stand on our own feet and not only be self-sufficient in these milk and milk products, but be a hub for export, because with MOPA coming up and since it's going to be the cargo hub, we have planned Goa differently. Results don't show immediately, but these are works in progress. So as against this background, unfortunately, because of the presence of a large section or a few people pretending to be a large section in the social media particularly, and even in the media for that matter, give a projections, everything has collapsed because of BJP has been the cause. In fact, I want to say, if BJP was the cause, mining which has stopped, to restart mining, bringing a change in MMDR Act, central government is fully seized of the matter. The next cabinet meeting, amendments are coming to the Mining Act, wherein we will be able to, in a very short period of time, be able to resume mining in Goa.